Exhibit A, but the screenshot of the account, right? So violations of inaccuracies identified, and then it has all the different things: requested action, civil liability for non-compliance. All right, failure to delete. Right, we ain't trying to correct the information. So failure to delete this trade line after documented notice will be treated as a willful non-compliance. All right, so this is what we want to put in place. All right. So this is how we're going to leverage artificial intelligence to create this specific action, okay? And then from there, your next thing you need to do, of course, is send this, of course, to Experian, to TransUnion, to Equifax, and they have 30 days, of course, or 35 days to conduct this investigation, or 30 days to conduct the investigation, 5 days to mail the investigation back to you. All right, this is very important. Now, once they send this letter in, so round two, right? We send that letter in, wait 35 days. You have 30 days for them to conduct the investigation, and of course, 5 days to mail it back. Now you should see the increase of accounts being removed from your credit report, okay? So now what we got to do, of course, is wait 30 days for them to conduct the investigation, 5 days for them to mail that investigation back to you. You should see an increase of chance. You should see accounts being removed from your credit report within that time period. Then, of course, you already know some of them are going to come back verified. So now what you want to do, of course, is then create a CFPB complaint, okay? That's the next process. Round three, you have all these violations. You have everything that they have done that they didn't fix. Now you have a better chance of getting these accounts removed from your credit report by leveraging the CFPB, okay? Now from there, what you want to do, of course, is click on, once you log into the CFPB, the first step you're going to do is just click on credit reporting, okay? And then you're going to click on credit reporting again. All right. And then from there, what we want to do next is just scroll down right here and correct information on the report, improper use on the report, or problem with company's investigation. Basically go over this. So problem with company's investigation, it's an existing problem. Investigation to more than 30 days. No, their investigation did not fix an error on your report. Have you already tried to fix this problem? Did you already request information? What information did you request? You requested them to investigate the completeness and accuracy according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Did the company provide you with the information? And then from there, what you want to do is leverage artificial intelligence, okay? And then the next prompt we're going to say is some of these accounts came back verified, okay? So bring it up. All right, now what we're going to say is these accounts came back verified again. Can you create me a CFP? Can you create me a CFPB complaint so I can submit everything that happened online? All right, and then from there, basically, what's going to happen is what happened. So it's going to break down everything that happened. We're going to copy everything that happened, right? So on file this complaint under the Fair Credit Reporting Act regarding the inaccurate and inconsistent reporting of the specific account and the failure of both Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax to conduct a reasonable investigation as required by law. Here's everything, the timeline that everything happened, conflicting account status, all right, inconsistent date of last active, basically violates this law, high balance with this is going on. With this is going on, it basically break down everything that you need as well to help you remove this account from your credit report, all right? And then from there, what's going to be a fair resolution permanently, these two things, all right? So what would be a fair resolution for this issue? Permanent deletion of this trade line from all three credit bureaus, written confirmation that all inaccuracies has been removed from my report, all right? No, there's just permanent deletion.
If you want to get an unfair advantage against Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you need to grab my free secret letter. It's going to help you knock the credit bureaus out. It's going to force Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax to do a thorough investigation to help you knock them out. So make sure you go grab that free secret letter. Go to freesecretletter.com and go get it. And the link is going to be pinned to the comments and pinned to the description. I got you.